Okay, today we're going to learn how to do an Excel and how to change things in an Excel template. I'm going to share my screen. Okay. The very first thing you want to do is put everybody's names in alphabetical order. So you want to highlight all the names. You want to go to Data and click Sort A to Z. And it should sort everybody's names. The next thing you want to do is to come over underneath Quiz Average. And you want to average out the student's quiz. So you're going to do equals sum, open parentheses, and you're going to drag the ones that you want to find the sum of, close parentheses, and you're going to divide by 200 because there's 200 points total from the test. Enter. It's going to give you a percentage, and you're going to want to drag down, and it should give a percent for everybody on the quiz. Then you want to come and you want to find the average of the test. So again, you want to do equals sum, open parentheses, highlight the ones you want to find the sum from, close parentheses, and this time you're going to divide by 500 because there's 500 points together. Don't add this one because no one took this test. So you want to drag all the way down, and it should pop up a percentage for all the students. Now to do the points, you only want to include the number of the sum from the test that people took. So you're going to do equals sum, open parentheses. You first want to add these together, then close the parentheses, and you want to add the sum of these. And equal, and it should give you a total number of points. Again, drag down, make this easier, and it should pop up a total number of points for every student. To calculate the GPA, you want to add just the extra credit and the total number of points. So you're going to equals sum of 04 and P4, close parentheses, and you want to divide this by 700 because there's 700 total points if you add these points and these points. So you want to drag down, and it should give a percent for everyone. To find the class average, you want to add the sum of just the students, so B4 to B13, and you want to divide by 10. Give you a number, and you do the same thing as you did for the averages. You're going to drag all the way across, and it should give you a number for every column except rock climbing because no one completed this test. You can also take away and add borders. You can change the color. If you go to home, you can change colors of things right here. But what we have to do is add a chart. So to add a chart, you want to highlight everything, all the data, and you want to go to Insert, and you want to go to Chart. We're going to add a bar chart, or we could add a pie chart, a line graph, anything you want. Let's add a column chart. So you click OK, and your chart will pop up. You're going to drag it down till you get to the bottom of the page. You want to drag it right here. Now you can also add filters if you want. Do whatever you want. If you go to Insert, you can add a bunch of different things right here. Now we do have to add a header and a footer. So I'm going to click on header and footer, and it's going to pop up. Don't freak out. The page is going to go on a bunch of different pages. But to add your header, you're going to add your name and the date. And the header should be on each page. If you want, you could add another chart, or you can do your page layout and add a background. So we're going to save this. save it. My name, so I know which one to add. Click save. I'm going to stop the screen share. And that's how you complete an Excel project. I hope this works.